Have you ever looked up at the sun and wondered what would happen if it just vanished? It's a terrifying thought, but it's also a fascinating scientific puzzle. Let's imagine the impossible. Right now, the sun disappears. What happens next? For the first 8 minutes and 20 seconds, absolutely nothing. That's how long it takes for light from the sun to reach us. So, for a little over 8 minutes, we'd be basking in the glow of a star that's no longer there, completely oblivious. The last rays of sunlight would hit Earth, and then, instant, absolute darkness. Imagine the sky at night, but without any moonlight, because the moon would go dark too, reflecting nothing. The only light would come from the distant stars, city lights, and a sky suddenly filled with more visible constellations than ever before. But the light going out is only the first part of the story. The sun's gravity holds our entire solar system together. It takes the same amount of time for gravity's effects to travel as it does for light. So, at the exact same moment the darkness hits, something far more dramatic happens. Earth, no longer tethered to the sun, would fly off into space in a straight line. Like letting go of a ball you're spinning on a string, our planet would become a rogue wanderer, hurtling through the cosmic darkness at 67,000 miles per hour. Back on the surface, the initial reaction would be global confusion and panic. But the immediate, life-altering change would be the cold. Without the sun's warmth, Earth's temperature would plummet. Within a week, the average global temperature would drop below freezing to about 0 degrees Fahrenheit. Within a year, it would be a bone-chilling minus 100 degrees. The surface of the oceans would freeze over, creating a thick layer of ice. This ice would actually insulate the deep ocean, trapping a bit of residual heat for a while. So while the surface becomes an uninhabitable ice world, life deep beneath the waves, especially around geothermal vents, might continue, oblivious to the cosmic catastrophe above. What about us? How would humanity survive? Well, it wouldn't be easy. Photosynthesis would stop almost immediately, leading to the collapse of most plant life and the food chains that depend on it. Our survival would hinge on our technology and our ability to adapt quickly. We'd have to move underground into deep geothermal-powered bunkers or subaquatic cities built near volcanic vents on the ocean floor. These locations could provide the heat necessary to keep us from freezing and to power our new civilization. We'd have to rely on nuclear energy, geothermal power, and whatever fossil fuels we have left to generate electricity and warmth. Food would become the biggest challenge. Without sunlight, agriculture as we know it is over. We would have to cultivate food in artificially lit, heated greenhouses. Hydroponics and aeroponics would become essential, growing crops in nutrient-rich water under powerful grow lights. Perhaps we'd cultivate mushrooms and other fungi that don't require light. Survival would mean becoming a species of miners and engineers, burrowing into the earth for warmth and resources, creating a new world in the dark. As Earth travels deeper into interstellar space, the view from our frozen planet would change. We might pass by other star systems, but the chances of a close encounter, or worse, a collision, are incredibly small given the vastness of space. For thousands, maybe millions of years, Earth would be a ghost ship sailing through the void. The atmosphere would eventually freeze and fall to the surface as a thin layer of nitrogen snow. The once blue planet would be a silent, ice-covered rock. Life for any human survivors would be completely transformed. Generations would be born and raised without ever seeing the sun or an open sky. Their entire reality would be the metallic corridors of a bunker or the pressurized domes of an underwater city. Stories of the before times, of sunlight, blue skies, and warm summer days would sound like myths, like fantastical legends passed down through generations. But could humanity make it? It's a testament to our ingenuity and resilience that we can even imagine a way. We have the theoretical knowledge to survive. We understand geothermal energy, nuclear power, and hydroponics. The real question would be whether we could implement these solutions on a global scale. In the face of unimaginable chaos and the end of the world as we know it, could we cooperate and work together to save our species? Thinking about the sun's disappearance forces us to confront how utterly dependent we are on this giant, glowing star 93 million miles away. It's not just a light in the sky. It's the anchor of our world, the source of all our warmth, and the engine of all life. Every sunrise is a gift, a daily reminder of the incredible cosmic luck that allows us to be here. It's a powerful thought, right? The sun gives us everything, and without it, we are truly lost in the dark. So the next time you feel the sun on your face, take a moment. Appreciate that warmth, because it's the most important thing in the world. Thanks for watching. If you found this journey into the dark fascinating, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more explorations into the what-ifs of our universe. See you next time.